Good morning, everyone. Welcome to April 2nd Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now we get the Dow futures down 25, S&P futures down 1, and NASDAQ futures are down 4. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were lower overnight. Futures favored the bulls Friday morning as traders looked to end the week on a winning note. Economic reports were mixed with personal income and Chicago PMI weaker than expected, while spending and consumer confidence were stronger than expected. By the time traders digested all of the news, the Dow and S&P had risen and the NASDAQ was lower by day's end. Today at 10 a.m. we'll get the ISM Index and construction spending reports. There are no key earnings reports due out today. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1393, the 50-day at 1362, and the 200-day at 1267. We've got support on the S&P at 1393 and resistance at 1425. The S&P traded in a very narrow range on Friday and finally closed at 1408, squarely between key support of 1393 and resistance at 1419. The market could continue to remain in a narrow range as it awaits important jobs data due out by week's end. In the meantime, not much has changed. We'll be patient and watch and see what goes first. Here's a bully trend fact. We know that historically the first 6 days of all calendar months tend to be bullish. However, April is a bit different. This week we have trading days from April 2nd to April 6th. On the NASDAQ, since 1971, April 2nd through 6th have yielded 78 up days and 62 down days. Additionally, the annualized return is a negative 2.18%. Clearly, April does not seem to conform to the historical norm. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.